Okay, I'm going to show you how to make the herringbone half double crochet. I've done a foundation row of 10, just for example, 10 half double crochet regular, chain 1 and turn. Then you would proceed as we would do a half double crochet, so yarn over, through 1 loop, and then instead of continuing your half double crochet, you will pull through the first loop and then yarn over, pull through the 2 remaining loops. So again, yarn over, go through here, then here you go through the first one and you go through 2. Trying to show you closer. Yarn over, go here, you pull through the first loop, yarn over, go through 2. Nice one. Here, go through the first one and go through, and then you continue until the end. And it's the same to change rows. Oops. Chain 1, turn, and you continue. There's no special stitch to do at the beginning or anything. Go through here. It goes. There you go. It pulls the stitches on the side, so then you have them one like this, the next will be like this. Gives a nice pattern.